bought a DS4 for the Subi. Yes. Shh, don't tell my wife. She doesn't know. She's on vacation. She's on a work trip. So I bought a DS4 and I'm gonna put it in the Subi. Because starting the Subi in the summer, listen, I don't want to go out there and put my key in the damn Subi and risk somebody running off with it. You know, it's a piece of crap. You know, it's not the greatest, nicest looking car, but it's my favorite car. I love that car. I mean, as far as Subarus go, it's my favorite body style of Subaru. So I love that car. I don't want nothing to happen to it. So I got me a remote starter, you know, DS4 Alarm, so I can start it, and in the summer it can cool down before I get in. And in the winter, I can start it, and it can warm up before I get in, because there ain't nothing worse than getting in the cold car in the winter. I can stand getting in a hot-ass car in the summer. Cannot stand getting in a cold-ass car in the winter. Oh, that is the worst. Just sit there with my butt freezing, and I gotta eat chili to keep my culo en fuego. What you know about that? Ugh, God. I can't even sit back and enjoy my seat in comfort and drive. I kind of gotta sit up because I'm too damn cold and keep my body heat in with my arms. It doesn't even make sense. So anyway, I got a DS4. Watch me install it right now. Watch me whip. Watch me install it. What you know about that? Anyway, watch this footage. All right, we're gonna get these panels off. Alright, so this is my garage clicker. It's hooked up to a momentary button right there. This button right there. That'll open the garage. If you're interested in that, there's 100 videos on YouTube. If you want me to make one, I'll gladly do it. Just let me know in the comments below. Okay, continue taking this apart. Before I go digging any further into this, I'm going to go over here to the bench and start getting the wiring together. Viper. DS4 is Viper. Vehicle equipped with a directed remote start system. Don't nobody got time for this. This is the main power harness. This here is your hood pin. A lot of people don't even use the hood pin. I like it because shit, if somebody's gonna be under my hood messing around, they sure as shit ain't getting in the car. If you push your factory key fob lock button 3 times quickly, it'll start. This is the thermometer, if you will. It goes up in the C-pillar. This is the actual DS4 module. This is what all the wiring plugs into. This is the brain of it, if you will. These are the other harnesses for the rest of that. This is the butt plug, and it keeps everything in place. You want to get all of these power wires and run them together to the main power. These are just functional ones. This is my antenna. What the fuck kind of antenna is this? What the fuck? This is different than the last antenna on the one I have on the XB. This is my wiring diagram. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all these in real quick, and I'm going to separate out all the wires I need. Do some rig-a-digging. Some rig-diddly-ishes. Some rig-diddly-umptious down in here. What do you think? Now I'll start working on this harness. This is the 12-pin black sleeve. Yeah, 2 rows of 6, 12-pin black. So that's going to be this bad boy right here. So pin 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you like how I installed DS4s? I'm good at it, right? Only took me 13 friggin' hours. That's all. That's a quick DS4 install. 13 hours. Boom! Get yours installed today. I won't charge you much. I'll only charge you like $1,600. It won't cost you a whole lot at all. Just come on down and see me. Okay.
take it off of me? Yeah, her love, it was all for me. Yeah, won't you take it off of me, girl? Yeah, would you give your all for me?
Alright, you like that? Well, I don't. It was a pain in the butt. It's done though. And I even cleaned up my mess. And it's freaking midnight. And I'm tired. And I still have stuff to do on the car. It's still like 90 degrees in here. Damn midnight. It's 90 degrees. Crazy. Anyway. I'll finish this up, program the remotes. See you tomorrow.